organizations that are working in the same field that we are, researching other potential partners that we might partner up with around the Arab world. And we also use the internet with regards to new social media by integrating social media websites such as Facebook and Twitter onto our website as well to better reach a wider range of target audiences, especially young people.
As an NGO, we use the internet to connect with other NGOs, to show our work, to promote it, to seek funds, to update our information, to do training, to seek training as well around Europe, Lebanon, Middle East. So it's basically to connect and to share. Social media as well is part of our work. We use blogging, Twitter to update all our volunteers, to connect with other people, to show them what we do. So it's all kind of connecting with the world through the internet.
I'm Bram Amin. I work as a coordinator activity for Musan with the special needs. So usually we use the communication with the internet for the other disabled peoples, and we're searching about the child rates with the UNICEF and the other NGO, what we have about the activities and the latest things. Plus, it's going to be also like about we work on our websites, which is we have from new knowledges what we can afford, what we can give, and also what we can take from the other. That's which is becoming as a good communication and making improvement for the other contacts, which is it show for all the words and show also us what they have and what we can reach for something which is better and important.
Basically, we use the internet to spread the message, to make our research, to connect to other organizations, especially the international one. And we have also a program that is based online, where we have digital resources and courses, and where students from different countries can meet on this website and take courses together, use the resources. Especially, of course, I want to add as well the social media, where really you can spread the message.
Use the internet basically to get connected to everyone that works with us, send messages when we have meetings. We also use it for research basis. Whenever we have special cases, we get to know about the latest research in our field. And hopefully we'll start using it for other purposes.
We are trying to activate more the social media. It is a source of showing more our activities and advertising the campaigns that we are trying to launch.